Hey there, quick review on the Rhino USA tire gauge. Literally requires zero assembly out of the box. You pull it out and it's ready to go. Everything you see is how it comes. Getting it on your valve stem, I find can be a little bit awkward just because of the braided cable here. It can kind of want to fight you, but this top head does pivot. So you just want to twist that to get it in about the right angle and position that you're going to want to use, and press firmly down and it'll give you a good reading. Now there also is a bleeder valve on this on the side. If you want to let some air out, you can use that. Here's a closer look at the gauge. As you can see, good quality as you'd expect with anything Rhino USA. Everything looks nice. I've tested this up against other inflators to see if it's reading correctly, and it does seem to be reading correctly, plus or minus 1 PSI. I don't have a high-end professional piece of equipment to accurately gauge that, but as far as I can tell, it's right on the money. Taking a closer look here, if I can get my gauge angled to where you can see it, you want to get that lined up, put some firm pressure on it. And as you can see there, it's easy to read. If you want to let some air out, we'll hit that bleeder valve. Works good. Overall, I feel like this is a nice product. It does what it's supposed to, and I'd recommend it.